one other thing I want to mention, let me go back to this image here. And so I'm going to edit the image. Right now it's kind of in the middle of this container, but let's say I wanted it somewhere different, and I can't do it easily by controlling the margin, like maybe let's say I try to do something with the margins and I'm not real happy what it does. I think, okay, I don't like that because now it's making my purple bar move, but maybe I want it closer to that purple bar, but without the purple bar moving. What could I do? So that's as low as I can get it down without it moving the purple bar. What I could do is to use a different type of positioning. So I can go to position, go to default, and go and say that I want it to be absolute. And when it's absolute, I can now drag it anywhere I want. It's not limited to that container. Now this does also take extra coding, so this will make your website smaller, not smaller, it will take it longer to load. It will make the codes bigger. So you want to be careful how often you use this. Now where this positioning is changes. For instance, it didn't used to be in this particular area. Right now it's under advanced layout and you go down to find positioning. It used to be down under mask. There was something called positioning between mask and responsive, and you would find it there. So sometimes you have to hunt for where the position is, but you would, if you change it to absolute, you can move it all around. So just a couple little more things that you can do to make your website look exactly like you want it to look.